What's going on, guys? Angelo here, coming to you with another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all what's inside the essential package from SimpliSafe. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. First things first, I want to go ahead and let you all know the price. Right now there is a sale on the website for Memorial Day weekend. It originally cost $260, but for a limited time it is down to $207. And on top of that, they are going to include a free camera with that. This is going to be a 6-piece set. It also gives you a 60-day guarantee, and on top of that you can also get interactive monitoring for another $194. It also is cloud-based and it does have a keypad. Now, just for a quick note, they do have higher options available and they do have smaller options available. This is just what my sister got for her new home. This is the most popular package by them. It is the essential package. It's a great for once you get like a starter home or something, or if you just want to get started with their system. This is a great way to start off because of what it gives you. As my sister demonstrates for you guys, you can see there it says welcome to SimpliSafe. It has some really nice packaging overall, and if you flip the cover, you see there they have the logo showing off, and then they also have this let's get started quick start guide for you. That's the first thing that you're going to see, and within that they also give you a yardstick or the yard sign that you can stick in front of your home or apartment or wherever you're at. Believe it or not, that actually does work really well. And then as you see here, you have your setup guide. I definitely recommend you read that. The next thing you're going to give you is going to be your stickers, which is another great plus, is that you can go ahead and put those by your window and stick them on your door or whatever you want to. Now, as you remove the cardboard, you can then see this is going to be your base system. As you see here, that's basically the brains of the system. In a sense, it is cloud-based, but that's basically the brains where you're going to hook up your Wi-Fi and whatnot. If you were wondering, it does come with the yardstick as well, and then you also have your key fob right there, so you can go ahead and put that on your keychain, which is a really nice plus. I know most companies do this, but I think it's a great plus that it comes within this package. Now, as you see here, you're going to have your keypad up next, which is another plus, is that you can go ahead and put that in once you get in the house. And this one did come with a smoke detector. She did get a bundle on this, and on top of that there's a free camera that we were talking about. This is the SimpliCam Plus. It streams HD recording, and again, this is cloud-based, so you can go back and see at any time really what's happening. This is going to be just one of the motion sensors. This does come with more than one, which is another plus. You put those in the corner of your house just in case you're not home. It's basically an infrared camera. And then also here you have your entry points. If I'm correct, this one comes with either 2 to 3 of these, but as you see, she's showing 2 here. But that's going to be all that comes within the box. I just wanted to show off what is going to be coming inside here. If you really want to see a follow-up video, really kind of how this stuff works, just let me know in the comment section below. Like I said, once again, you're going to get your base station. You're going to get 3 entry sensors as well as the motion sensor. You're going to get one of those motion sensors. You're also going to end up getting that free camera as well if you do sign up before the sale ends. They are not sponsoring this video in any way. I just wanted to show off what comes in this package. I hope you all did enjoy the video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Please enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. And until next time, peace out.